So in this InShot tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to delete sound effects in a video here on InShot. So to add some sound effects, go to the bottom left, press on Audio, then press on Effects, and then where it says Effects right here, you can go ahead and select an effect. So we'll just go ahead and press on Popular right here. I will just do the countdown.
3,
and press on Use. So here's the countdown right here.
3, 2, 1.
There's my wonderful audio. Or if you want to delete the sound effect right here, press on the sound effect, slide this bar, press delete, press the check mark, and now the sound effect has been deleted. So very simple, very straightforward. That's how you guys can delete sound effects in a video here on InShot. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.